Hello everyone, welcome to Crisnat Developer. Today I am solving the question which is mentioned in the description below in Python language. So let's start by creating a raw text file. Okay, here we go, and we will rename it as Fibonacci.py. Now let me rename it with ideally. So here we go, and we will use some sort of variables to store our information in this program. So we will initialize Fibo with 0, a1 which is the first term with 0, a2 is the second term with 1, and total is for storing all the sum total of even valued terms. So we are initializing Fibo with 0, a1 with 0, a2 with 1, and total with 0. Okay, then to make our program interactive, we are introducing some lines. Okay, and here we are writing over here the even valued Fibonacci terms are dash dash and dash. Okay, now we are introducing while loop for iterating throughout my program. So while Fibo is less than equal to 4 million. Okay, this is the first condition given in the question. While Fibo is less than equal to 4 million, Fibo equals to a1 plus a2. Now this is the basic property of a Fibonacci series, that the upcoming terms is the sum total of previous two terms. Then next statement is if statement for our third condition, which is even valued Fibonacci terms. So if, sorry, not the bracket, if Fibo modulus 2 is equal to 0, it means that the remainder of Fibo when divided by 2 is 0. Then what we have to do is we have to put the sum of Fibo in total plus total plus Fibo. Okay, now we have to print the even valued terms. So print and then Fibo. Okay, this was our if statement. Now we will update the value of a1 and a2. So a1 a2 equals to a2 and Fibo. Okay, and now we will write the sum total of even valued terms, that is the sum of all the even valued terms are, and then we will close the double inverted comma, and then we will write the variable name, which is total, close the bracket, we will save it. Okay, and we will now run it. So let's run our program, and here we go. The sum of all the even valued terms are 4613732. Okay, it is right. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.